Welcome to Visa Reservations Visa channel. I'm Jill and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about how to apply for an Estonia Schengen Visa from the United States. Before we get going, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Estonia's cities are full of history and the medieval parts are a joy to wander around. The nightlife is buzzing and you'll find some delicious food and refreshing drinks in the restaurants, cafes and bars. Nature lovers will delight in a number of national parks with beautiful forests, or the Baltic Sea coastline with lovely beaches and resorts to kick back and relax in. This Schengen country is a must-see destination. Before you even start an application for a Schengen visa for Estonia, it's important to note that if you're a US citizen and plan to go to Estonia for up to 90 days, you do not need a visa. In fact, over 50 countries can travel to Europe visa-free. However, if you're a non-US citizen living in the United States, you will need a visa to travel to Estonia for up to 90 days. You may have different reasons for going to Estonia, as a tourist or a student, for work or business purpose, or you may have family reasons. Whatever your reason for travelling to Estonia, let's look at the types of visas you can apply for. The two types of visas you can apply for are short-term for up to 90 days, or long-term for longer than 90 days. The type of visa you apply for will depend on two things: the duration of your trip and the reason for your trip. Check the website of VFS Global to identify which visa you need to apply for. Under the step-by-step guide, go to step 1 and click on the link and you'll find all the information you need to know about applying for the visa. Take the time to research this before making your application. Where to apply? To apply for a visa for Estonia, you must submit your application to one of the VFS Global offices located across the US. The offices are located in Washington, D.C., San Francisco, New York, Los Angeles, Houston, and Chicago. Once your application has been submitted to VFS Global, it will be sent to either the Consulate General of Estonia in New York or the Consulate General of Estonia in San Francisco for processing. The office that will be processing your application will depend on where you live. The Consulate General in San Francisco has jurisdiction over Alaska, Arizona, California, Colorado, Hawaii, Idaho, Montana, Nevada, New Mexico, Oregon, Utah, Washington, and Wyoming. Applications of residents of other states of the US are processed at the Consulate General of Estonia in New York. Visa applications can be lodged at VFS Global up to 6 months and no later than 3 weeks before your intended travel. It takes 15 days to process your application from the day either of the consulates receive the application. How to apply? To help you apply for your Estonia visa, there are a few simple steps to follow. Begin your application, book an appointment, pay your fees, visit a visa application centre, track your application, and collect your passport. Let's look at each of these steps. Begin your application. On VFS Global's website, go to step 2 and click on the link. You'll be directed to the online application. Complete all 13 pages and print it off at the end. Book an appointment. Click on the link under step 3 to book your appointment. You'll need to register as a new user and then log in to make an appointment at VFS Global to submit your documents. Pay your fees. You'll also pay the fee for your visa. The current visa fee for a short-term visa is $87. There's also a service charge payable to VFS Global of around $12. All fees are non-refundable. Visit a visa application centre. On the day of your appointment, aim to arrive 15 minutes early. If you miss your appointment on the scheduled day, you will need to make a new appointment. You must attend the appointment for your visa application in person. Take a printed copy of your visa application, the barcoded sheets, your passport bio page, as well as a valid passport with at least 2 pages blank on both sides. Bring all supporting documentation. If you haven't paid your fee online, you can pay your fees once you go to the centre. And also provide biometric information. This is a digital photograph and a scan of all 10 fingerprints. Track your application. You will receive an email update when your decision has been returned to VFS Global. If you can't access email easily or would like more detailed tracking information, you may also be able to get updates by text message sent directly to your phone. Check whether this service is available at the visa application centre you're visiting. You can also track your visa application status online. Use the reference number that you were given and your last name to access this service. Collect your passport. After a visa application decision's been made, you can pick up your passport from the visa application centre by appointment only, or you can have your passport returned to you by courier for an additional fee. Check with the visa application centre when you submit your application for the options available to collect your documents. The decision will be either approved and you'll find your visa inside your passport, or rejected. If your application is rejected, you have the right to appeal within 30 days. So we've looked at how to apply for a visa, but what about supporting documents that are required as part of your application? Documents include passport, one application form, one recent photo, previous passport with any previous Schengen visas, travel medical insurance, proof of legal residence in the US, proof of accommodation, itinerary and flight reservation, proof of financial means, proof of employment status, and proof of family ties. There could be other documents that are required depending on your reason for visiting Estonia, so it's best to check the full list of documents before you submit your application. If you miss anything, this could mean a rejected application. Refer to the checklist, which can be found on the website of VFS Global. So now you know how to apply for an Estonia visa from the US, get that application started. But if you'd rather make this process even easier and faster, you can use visareservation.com services to help with your visa application. Just so you know, most embassies or consulates require flight itineraries as part of a visa application, but they recommend that you do not purchase tickets before your visa is approved. If your visa application is rejected, you will not be refunded for any flight ticket that you've bought. Visa reservation can help with flight reservations, which are perfect for visa applications to approve travel plans. Visa reservation also offers hotel bookings, travel insurance, booking appointments, visa interview guides, and much more. Why choose visa reservation? Well, all our itineraries are verifiable, support for any country visa, 24/7 customer support, group discounts, 100% buyer protection and refund available if your visa is denied, affordable pricing and reliable service. To use visa reservation services, all you need to do is follow 3 simple steps. Number 1, choose a package that suits your needs. Number 2, submit travel details and pay. Number 3, receive your itinerary by email. That's all there is to it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and visit our website for up-to-date information on everything you need to know about applying for visas for Europe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.